this video, I will show you how to send MTN data to another MTN line without any stress. Let me show you how. First, open up your dialer. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and dial *777# and hit enter. There's going to give you different options like here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here and type number 6 and then click on send. The next thing you want to do is to click on here again and type number 2, hit on send. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here again, type number 1, hit on send. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here again, type number 1, click on send. Then go ahead and enter the MTN line that you want to send data to. So I'm going to go ahead now and enter the MTN line. Then after enter the MTN line, go ahead and click on send. Then after enter the MTN line, hit on send. The next thing you want to do here is to select the options, the data value you want to send to the number. So from my account right here, the maximum I can send is 5 gig. So from your own end and based on your tariff, it might be different. However, just choose the valid number of amount of data you want to share. So in this tutorial, I want to share 5 gig. I'll simply click on here and type 7, which indicates that I'm sending 5 gig of data to this particular number that was entered. Hit consent. And this is going to pump up right here. Please confirm you want to transfer 5 gig from your data bundle to this particular number. Go ahead and click on here, type number 1 and hit on send. Boom. You have gifted 5 gig to this particular number. Just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.